Hello everyone, you are welcome in Optimistic Aspirant. My name is CN Tiwari and today is the session 14, 15, 16 and 17 of World Power Made Easy English vocabulary with synonyms and antonyms. Let's start without any delay. First word is notorious. Well known for something bad. In Hindi you can say badnaam. Synonyms are discreditable, disgraceful. Antonyms honorable, reputable. Example, she is notorious for her world behavior. Next word is consummate. It is perfect or complete in every way. It is समाप्त in Hindi. Synonyms are accomplished or complete. Antonyms are mitigated, imperfect. Example, the detective was consummate observer who noticed even the smallest thing. Next word, incorrigible. It means not capable of being cured or reformed, जिसका सुधार ना हो सके. Synonyms are hopeless or incurable. Antonyms are recoverable, redeemable. Example, an incorrigible criminal who should spend the rest of his life behind bars. Next word, inveterate means have a particular interest or habit that is unlikely to change. In Hindi, it is pakka. Synonyms deep-rooted, entrenched. Antonyms are ephemeral or halting. Example, she has an inveterate tendency to tell some very tall tales. Next word is veteran. A person who has very long experience of a particular job or activity. In Hindi you can say who is anubhavi. Synonyms are experienced, versed. Antonyms novice or lover. Example, the veteran workers and model workers are held in a great esteem. Next word, congenital. It is beginning at and continuing since birth. It means janjat. Synonyms are born, natural. Antonyms are non-natural. Example, I became a doctor so that I could study congenital disorders in newborns. Next word, hereditary. It is genetically transmitted or transmittable from parent to offspring. In Hindi you can say anuvanshik. Synonyms are inborn, inheritable. Antonyms are non-hereditary. Example, the Queen of England is a hereditary ruler. Next word, chronicity. Being such by habit and not likely to change. Synonyms of chronicity is habitual or inveterate. Antonyms are unaccustomed or unused. Example, there is a chronic shortage of teachers. Next word, anachronism. Something or something that is not in its correct historical or chronological time, especially a thing or person that belongs to an earlier time. In Hindi you can say kalbram. Synonyms of anachronism is irrelevance or misdate. Antonyms synchronic or synchronal. Example, the monarchy is something of an anachronism these days. Next word, incongruous. Lacking in harmony or compatibility or appropriateness. In Hindi you can say bemale. Synonyms are graceless, inapposite. Synonyms harmonious, appropriate. Example, it was incongruous to see a thief sitting there cheek by jowl with the policeman. Next word, antipathy. A strong feeling of not liking somebody or something. In Hindi you can say grina, someone. Synonyms are animosity, dislike. Example is she felt no antipathy towards a younger woman. And antonyms of antipathy is sympathy or kindliness. Next word, apathetic. It is lacking interest or desire. Means udasin. Synonyms are disinterested or casual. Antonyms anxious, and careful. Example, I realized I was becoming increasingly depressed and apathetic. Next word, empathy. Understanding, entering into another's feeling. In Hindi you can say sahanubhuti. Synonyms are affinity, compassion, antonyms are venom, virulence. Example, he had empathy with small children. Next word, pathetic. Causing you to feel pity or sadness. In Hindi you can say dayनीय. Synonyms are piteous or heartbreaking. Antonyms, unimpressive or uninspiring. Example, there was a pathetic expression of sorrow, prayer and hope in it. Next word, conscience. It is the part of your mind that tells you if what you are doing is right or wrong. In Hindi you can say अंतरात्मा की आवाज. Example, her conscience told her to find the lost wallet's owner. Next word, conscious. It is having specified facts or feeling actively impressed on the mind. Example, conscious of the fact that my hands were sweating the whole time that I was making my presentation. Next word, omniscient. Having or seeming to have unlimited knowledge. सर्वज्ञान in Hindi. Synonyms are almighty, omnipotent. Antonyms are fallible, mortal. Example of omniscient is God is omniscient. He is sarvajnata. Next word, prescience. The special ability to see or know about events before they actually occur. It is in Hindi you can say पूर्व ज्ञान. Synonyms are foreknowledge, foresight. Antonyms are hindsight. Example, most believers would probably agree that complete prescience is one of God's attributes. Only God knows prescience. Next word, glib. Speaking or spoken in a confident way but without careful thought or honesty. In Hindi you can say बिना सोचे समझे कुछ भी बोलना. Synonyms are facile or flippant. Antonyms are implausible or persistent. Example, the spokesman answer was just to glib. बिना सोचे समझे कुछ बोलना. Next word, egregious. It is extremely bad in a way that it is very noticeable. Example is, while people appreciated the rapper's charitable activities, they found many of his lyrics egregious. Synonyms are flagrant, glaring. Antonyms are slight and small. Next word, congregate. It means to come together in a crowd or group. In Hindi it is एकत्रित होना. Synonyms are assemble, amass. Antonyms are dissipate or scatter. Example, both captains congregated their team members for some pre-game strategizing. Next word, segregate. To set or keep apart from others. In Hindi you can say अलग करना. Synonyms are separate or isolate. Antonyms are unite or integrate. Example, the country's schools segregate the students according to their academic abilities. Next word, aggregate. Something found by adding together several amounts or things. It means इकट्ठा करना. Synonyms are sum total or whole. Antonyms are uncombined, individual. Example, the football team had a low goal aggregate last season. Next word, it is the last question which asked in previous video. Question is, A condensation or summary or representation of the whole is called. Examples are anatomical, epitome, and entomological. The correct answer of this question is B, epitome. Today's question is, what is happening over and over again, continuing for a long time? Options are chronic, incorrigible, or inveterate. You have to give correct answer in the comment box. If you like this video, then please like, share, and if you are new on this channel, then please subscribe Optimistic Aspirant YouTube channel. And for PDF, you can join Telegram channel Optimistic Aspirant from the link in description. Thank you so much everyone.